So I'm here to introduce our advisory board, and let me tell you a little bit about why these folks are so critical to the campaign as we move ahead. We often use the phrase among the consumer movement, nothing about us without us. And obviously what that means is it refers to consumers of mental health services being actively directing mental health care instead of just being the recipients of those services. However, this phrase could actually be applied to the campaign in a slightly different way as well. So nothing about us without us could also mean that we are not going to have this campaign for Alameda County without including the people of Alameda County and the groups represented in that planning process. So nothing about us without us in that way as well to the community. So as Katara mentioned, we're in our planning year, and it's of utmost importance to us that the planning is done in partnership with the communities that we're reaching out to. We believe that the people of Alameda County are the true experts in how to reduce stigma and discrimination in their community, for their community. So to make sure the voices of these communities are heard and integrated into the campaign plan, we formed this advisory board. Now, the advisory board has three basic roles. One is to come to the meetings and to learn about the social inclusion campaign and events like today, where we learn about stigma reduction practices from Dr. Corrigan, and to take that information back out and share it with the people that they represent, back out to their communities. Another role that they have is we're going to be doing town halls, a series of town halls in the spring, where we're going to be going out and actively seeking the participation and input from the communities. And our advisory board members will be acting as co-hosts so that they can really help get the folks involved from their communities. And then the last piece is that when they come to the board meetings, we want them to be there speaking not just for themselves, but really speaking for their communities, for all the voices that can't be sitting around that small conference room table in our office. We hope that they will be speaking for many there, so that while we may have 15 or 17 people at the table, we really have much of Alameda County there speaking.